back to another exciting episode. Today we are in Maine, going across an epic swinging bridge. Quite historic one, as a matter of fact. So come along with me and see what we can see on this little mini episode. Yeah, this bridge was built in 1892, and it was for the mill workers to go from their housing across the river to the mill. It's kind of weird walking across this thing because it is a suspension bridge, so you do kind of go up and down a little bit. And of course, the windier it is, the more swinging it becomes. So it is definitely a very interesting bridge to walk on, and a very historical bridge. This is the Androscoggin swinging bridge. I probably completely butchered that up, but it is on the National Register of Historic Places as of January 2004. Originally designed and built in 1892 by John A. Roebling's Sons Company for mill workers to cross the river from new housing in Topshan to the Cabot Mill in Brunswick. Now, the bridge has served generations of citizens of all ages between Brunswick and Topsham. There are also many little trails that you can partake on. Some very easy, some not quite so easy. But once you get down to the bottom, you get some awful nice shots of the river and really neat tree formations.